Before we get started, take a look at this video. Pretty satisfying, right? Now here's the crazy part. Creators are posting videos just like these and racking up millions of views. Think I'm exaggerating? Take a look at this page. They gained 100,000 followers with just 41 posts. That's how powerful this trend is. And here's the best part. You can create the exact same style of videos using AI. Since this trend is still relatively new, you have a great chance to get in early before it becomes saturated. So, if you want to create videos like these, the first thing you'll need is my secret master prompt. You'll find it in the description or the pinned comment below. Go ahead and copy the prompt. Next, open Google Chrome and search for Google Flow AI. Click on the first result, then select Create with Flow. Once you're in, click New Project, then switch to the Video section. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Choose the 1 by option. Select the Omni Flash model, then set the video duration to 10 seconds. Now, simply paste the secret master prompt into the prompt box. Here's what makes this prompt so powerful. You can generate almost anything you can imagine. Just replace the object placeholder with whatever you want. A Lamborghini, a BMW, a truck, an excavator, a helicopter, a robot, a tank, a construction vehicle, or just about anything else. For this example, I'm going to build a Lamborghini Revuelto. I'll type Lamborghini Revuelto into the object section and click Generate. In just a few moments, Flow AI creates an incredibly detailed, cinematic, photorealistic, cardboard build video. Take a look at the result. The details, lighting, craftsmanship, and smooth camera movement make it look like a real handcrafted engineering project. Once your video is ready, simply download it in the highest available resolution. I've already created several videos using this exact method, including a BMW M4, multiple truck builds, and many other vehicle models. Change the object, click Generate, and you'll have endless content ideas for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, and Facebook Reels. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like
button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future AI tutorials. And if this trend isn't, don't worry, I have another trend you'll love, just the video on your screen right now. And I'll see you there.